Hello everybody, I'm Roy from Cabo Properties, and now we are on this amazing project. As you can see, this is the rendering how it will be. We have several amenities, family pool, lap pool, on-ground parking. We have a big difference that we deliver with the storage on the underground parking, and also we will have marble on the flooring. That's a nice touch. On the countertops, we have quartz and all the cabinetry, and the AC, it's included. It's only 48 units, and we have 2 elevators, one for each side of the building, and a common rooftop. Please come with me. All this area, it's amenities. This is a perfect project if you're looking for investment, short-term, long-term, Airbnb, VRBO. And we have still available units on the first, second, and the fourth. That one have an amazing view. And it's a 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. Come with me to see the and the gym. Right now, as you see, we are under construction, but they are putting all the effort because we will deliver in May next year. As you can see, we already have all the building done. We have the rooftops, we have everything all set up. We hire professionals on the fitness business, and they also have fully functional gym, not only to maintain, it's a full functional gym. And on this side, we also know that somebody have kids, so we will have a kids area right here. And we already are working on the model unit. That way you can see the furnishing, the jewelry, all the different types of quality of this project. Like that one, that's the marble that we will have on the flooring. We have a 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. Over there will be the laundry closet. And this is the second master Jack and Jill bathroom. Come with me. This is a nice coach. This is the master bedroom. We will have good sliding doors. That way you can connect with the living room, or you can have some privacy. And we also have a walk-in closet, shower, and the toilet. On this side will be the kitchen, will be everything, the countertops, an island right here. This is the interesting part. All the people who acquire the first level is like a resort style, because you will have 7 steps to the amenities, and you can go straight to relax and enjoy the pool. Thank you very much for joining me right now in this project, Vistas del Tezal. If you want to schedule a tour, you already have my contact information, and I will be more than pleased to help you with.